Hey, how we doing, everybody? Today we're going to be going over what the process of actually disputing a lead through Google Local Services ads looks like. This is something we get a lot of questions about when clients have meetings with us, get onboarded with us. How does it work? How do I get paid? How do I get my money back, etc. So what I want to do is just kind of break down what that looks like and then dive in and show where to actually click and the process to go through. So right now I'm logged into an account, a manager account that can manage multiple Google Local Services Ads account. If you're signed into your own account, then it'll look a little different than this, especially when you click this triple line in the top left corner. So when we click that, it'll show accounts we're connected to. This is the manager mode, these 4 tabs up top. And then this is all the individual areas of each local services ad profile that you can go in and check out. Is your business verified? The leads you received? Managing the policy you have with Google Local Services ads, reports on the leads and calls you received, reviews that you've generated to the platform, your profile and budget. This is where you can change things like your areas you're advertising in, information about your profile, what's showing up, your photos, billing through the portal, promotions that Google has at times where they highlight different features, and then who can access your account and how you get notified when you get a new lead. So to dispute any leads at all, you're going to navigate to the leads portion of the profile and click on it. And it's going to take you to this screen. At the top, you can see here that we have many different areas of leads that you can section them out. And it's kind of sort of like a mini CRM, customer relationship manager, inside of your local services ads account. So in this case, we're in the archive section. When you get leads, initially they go into the news section, but our team at OmniLocal manages the back end of this platform for you and moves leads around through the funnel so you don't have to, and all you have to focus on is answering the phone and getting reviews to your profile. So I have here a lead that we are able to dispute. We've already listened to the call and left notes in it for the client. This person was calling a real estate agent and they were looking for someone to manage rentals, which isn't something that this agent does in their market. So this is technically an out of scope lead. To dispute this lead, you're going to find the lead and go to their profile, same way we are here. You're going to click this triple dot in the top right corner. Then it's going to have the option for you to dispute. When you dispute, there's different instances or reasons that you want to indicate to Google for you to dispute them. They're listed here. Either it's something that a service you aren't offering, a location you don't work in, was it a wrong number or like a solicitor calling or a spam call? Was it somebody who already contacted you through the portal? Or was it just an incorrect business? This person called you and they're not actually looking for you. So in this case, because this is a rental call and the real estate agent doesn't service rentals, you're going to click job not served because this isn't a lead that applies to the leads that we are vying and competing for in the market. So once you click job not served, you're going to click submit. And what happens is Google is now going to review this phone call on their own accord over the next 40 days. If they accept that you disputed this call and agree with you that this is an out of scope lead and it doesn't fit the services that you provide, they're going to issue you a credit back onto your account. They're not going to just reimburse the card that you have on file. That credit goes to paying for new leads. So essentially it's kind of like stashing it in the bank and you have a call already covered when you have a next valid lead. When that is covered and when that request goes through, you'll see it be updated here at the top and it will say that the dispute has been approved and over the next 40 days you will be credited for that lead. So I hope this helps and kind of shows how the process works and how the business gets the actual the lead disputed. So let me know if you guys have any questions about that. Leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be answering any questions at all. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.